Okay, it's Stuart here from S&M Motor Engineers. We've got Lewis on his first big job in garage. He's usually a motorcycle mechanic, but you were having some trouble finding a job there, with weather. So, see what you think. I think he's done awesome there. Okay, Q7. Bit of a mission job, like, but, well, the parts is just a big pile, and all that for this slack chain here. I mean, to be fair, the back chain's alright. It's got a bit of slack in it, but it's not bad. But the main chain, yeah. So that's your problem. So yeah, like I said in the last bit, he's pulled his finger out. It's a really minimal effort. And he's pulled front cover off, put a new water pump on it, resealed everything on it, new thermostat housing, new everything that's plastic, because they all turn to dust after a bit of heat and cold, as you can see with that. That were a fairly common theme on this engine. Everything plastic that came off it snapped in two. There was over £4,500 worth of parts into this one job. So it's not a shallow pocket type of job. Don't get into this if your customers umming and ahhing, is all I can say, because the parts are through the roof, and on this engine no one makes an aftermarket timing chain at all, and just the timing chain guides, tensioners, just that there were nearly £1,800 from the dealership. Okay, first start after timing chain replacement with pipe fuel system. It's not got any coolant pipes connected, but everything electrical and fuel's connected up. Go on, Lewis, let her have it. Oh my god! Well, it's not rattling anymore. That's all good news. Put some light on situation. I mean, we're all still in bits, but that'll do, Lou. Job well done.